Stop scrolling. Amazon is hiding some seriously crazy gadgets you need to see. From a smart home upgrade to powerful everyday tools, these 10 Amazon finds are packed with features you won't expect. Let's check them out. Amazon Echo Show 15, latest gen. Think a smart display is just for checking the weather? Think again. The latest Amazon Echo Show 15 transforms your wall or countertop into the ultimate family command center. Its stunning 15.6-inch Full HD display lets you stream Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube, manage calendars, create shopping lists, and control your entire smart home with simple voice commands. Built-in Fire TV, crystal clear video calling with auto-framing, and customizable widgets make everyday life easier than ever. If you want one gadget that keeps your home organized, entertained, and connected, the Echo Show 15 is easily one of Amazon's smartest upgrades. Bose SoundLink, Max Bluetooth speaker. If you think portable speakers can't deliver premium sound, the Bose SoundLink Max is here to prove you wrong. Packed with deep bass, crystal clear vocals, and powerful room-filling audio, it's built for everything from backyard BBQs to beach trips. Its rugged, waterproof, and dust-proof design means you can take it almost anywhere without worry. With up to 20 hours of battery life, USB-C charging, and a built-in AUX input, it's as versatile as it is powerful. Whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying your favorite playlist, this speaker turns every moment into a concert. Anker Prime 250-watt charging station. Tired of juggling multiple chargers across your desk? The Anker Prime 250-watt charging station is the ultimate power hub for all your devices. With 6 high-speed ports, including 4 USB-C and 2 USB-A, it can charge your laptop, smartphone, tablet, earbuds, and more at the same time. Its smart power distribution automatically delivers the fastest charging speeds, while the built-in LCD display shows real-time power usage for each port. Compact, yet incredibly powerful, it's the perfect upgrade for home offices, gaming setups, or anyone who wants a cleaner, smarter workspace. Fanttik E2 Ultra Electric Screwdriver. Whether you're repairing a smartphone, upgrading a laptop, or building a custom PC, the Fanttik E2 Ultra Electric Screwdriver makes every job faster and easier. Designed for precision, it features multiple torque settings that give you complete control over delicate electronics. The premium magnetic storage case keeps 50 precision bits neatly organized, while the built-in rechargeable battery delivers long-lasting performance with convenient USB-C charging. It even includes handy tools like tweezers and a pry tool for detailed repairs. Compact, powerful, and incredibly satisfying to use, this is a must-have gadget for every tech enthusiast and DIY creator. Divoom TimeBox Evo, at first glance, the Divoom TimeBox. Evo looks like a fun little speaker, but it's so much more than that. This compact gadget combines impressive Bluetooth audio with a vibrant pixel art LED display that lets you create custom animations, messages, and digital artwork right from your phone. It also works as an alarm clock, timer, notification display, and desk companion, making it perfect for gaming setups or home offices. Whether you're listening to music or showing off your creativity, the TimeBox Evo adds personality and color to any space in a way that's impossible to ignore. MUKOQI Levitating Bulb Lamp. Imagine a light bulb that doesn't just glow, it actually floats in midair. The MUKOQI Levitating Bulb Lamp uses magnetic levitation technology to suspend and slowly rotate the bulb above its base, creating a mesmerizing effect that instantly grabs attention. Its warm LED lighting adds a cozy atmosphere, while the sleek wood-inspired base gives it a premium, modern look. Simply plug it in, position the bulb, and watch the magic happen. Whether it's for your desk, bedroom, or office, this eye-catching lamp is guaranteed to spark conversations and impress anyone who sees it. TP-Link RE615 X Wi-Fi 6 Range Extender. Frustrated with Wi-Fi dead zones and slow connections? The TP-Link RE615X Wi-Fi 6 Range Extender is designed to eliminate weak signals and keep your entire home connected. It extends coverage to hard-to-reach areas while delivering faster Wi-Fi 6 speeds for smoother streaming, gaming, and video calls. With dual high-performance antennas, a gigabit Ethernet port, and support for dozens of connected devices, it's built for modern smart homes. Setup takes just minutes using the TP-Link Tether app, making it one of the easiest and smartest upgrades for a stronger, more reliable wireless network. Sigman 3-in-1 Laser Measuring Tool. Why carry 3 different tools when one can do it all? The Sigman 3-in-1 laser measuring tool combines a laser distance meter, digital angle finder, and precision level into one compact device. Whether you're measuring a room, installing shelves, or tackling a DIY project, it delivers fast and accurate results with just a few taps. Multiple measuring modes make it easy to calculate distance, area, and volume, while the bright color display ensures everything is easy to read. Compact, reliable, and incredibly versatile, it's a must-have gadget for homeowners, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Scrub. Daddy Barbecue. Daddy Grill Brush. Cleaning a dirty grill doesn't have to be a messy chore anymore. The Scrub Daddy Barbecue. Daddy Grill Brush uses a unique bristle-free cleaning head that becomes softer with heat and steam, allowing it to scrub away stubborn grease and burnt-on food without damaging your grill. Its durable ArmorTech mesh tackles tough buildup, while the built-in scraper removes stubborn residue with ease. You also get a retractable hook for lifting hot grill grates, and even a built-in bottle opener for extra convenience. It's a smart, safer upgrade every BBQ lover will appreciate. JOREST Connectable Contour Gauge. Ever struggled to trace an awkward shape perfectly? The JOREST Connectable Contour Gauge makes it incredibly easy. Simply press the gauge against any surface, and it instantly copies the exact outline for precise cuts and measurements. The connectable design lets you combine multiple sections to handle everything from small trim work to larger flooring and woodworking projects. With clear inch and centimeter markings, adjustable tension, and durable construction, it delivers accurate results every time. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, this clever tool can save time, reduce mistakes, and make every project look more professional. And that's our list of 10 insane Amazon gadgets that prove the coolest tech doesn't have to break the bank. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Amazon finds and must-have tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.